Hello guys, my name is Varun Sav. I hope you are fine. So today our topic is this in JavaScript. So I write some point here and one by one I explain what is the meaning of this point. Okay. So what is this? In JavaScript, the this keyword refer to an object. Okay. And second point is which object depends on how this is being invoked, used or called. Okay. This keyword refer to the different object depending on how it is used. Okay. And in an object method, this refer to the object and alone this refers to the global object. Okay. In a function, this refer to the global object. In a function, in strict mode, this refer to undefined. In event, this refer to the element that receive the event. Method like call, apply, and bind can refer this to any object. So I explain one by one what is the meaning of this line. So in JavaScript, that this keyword refer to an object. Okay. So if I first destructure console here, and after that console, and here I write this, and I go to browser. So if you see in our here, what I do simply in our main thread, we simply log our this. So what happen here? We find window object. In window object, all our method is available here. Many things is available here. Length, local storage in the window object we have. Okay, and so this is our first point. And second point is which object depend on how this is being invoked, used or called. Okay, we go through in later that this keyword refer to different object depending on how it is used. So I give one example for better understanding. For example, I create one name like object one. I create one object, and inside object I have one key name Bobby. Okay, and I create one method of print name, and here we have a function, and here it is simply written this dot name. Okay, I created two objects same, and here this is our object 2, and this is our name Nachi cake, and Nachi cake, and yeah, I forget this here also. And after that, what I do, if I simply call this method, so object one dot print name, and I invoke this. So if I invoke this, so this you see answer, and also I log second object also. So see the answer in browser. So if you see Govin and Nachiket. So simply this refer in object, this refer to object. Okay. So for example, here this is this object one, and here this is this object two. So this object, so what I do, we simply log object one dot print name. So using dot operator, we access our method and the properties. Okay. So object one dot print name. So print name here. After that, this function return this dot name. So this refer to this object. So this dot name is going. So that's why it is print going here. And also now talking about second object. So here, object two dot print name. So object two dot print name, and it is written this dot name. So here this refer this object. So this dot name is, so this dot name is Nachiket. So guys, that's why it is print Govin and Nachiket. This is the basic classic example of this, and let's go in next point. So does this keyword refer different object depending on how it is used? Already I am explained this. In object method, this refer to the object. Same, this refer to object, and alone this refer to the global object. Okay. So starting we are check this alone. If I, for example, if I comment out this, comment out this, and so if I only print load this, so if you see, so it is pointed the window object. So this is the mean of this line, and yeah, and in function this refer to the global object. So let's I create one function xyz, and inside I simply load this, and I comment out this because I don't need this, and here I simply console call this function, and you see, so xyz, so you see in function this refer to window object, that's why this window object is coming. And now talking about next point is in strict mode this is undefined. If I use strict mode here, for example, use strict, it will give me it is not refer to global object, it give me undefined simply. It you saw, it will give me undefined. And in event this refer to the element that receive the event. Okay, for example, I create one p tag, and inside we have a event, so it in event it is this refer this element. Okay, and method like call, apply, and bind can refer this to any object. So with the help of call, apply, and bind, we are with the help of this call, apply, and bind, we are simply borrow our method and properties. So I give an example. For example, we have a, yeah. So we have already created one method here. So if you see, so so we have already this object. So I prefer this object also. And if you see, if you see, so here we are use same. Here we are use same method, and it is a messy because we are used two times this. So if any, for example, I created this separate method here. Not it is also this. So for example, so this is a not good because we are used here is two times. Okay, so can I use any method? So we have a apply, call, and bind method. So I give one example here. So for example, I remove this print method here, and after that what I do, we simply write object one dot print name, and print name dot apply, and after that we write this and object two. So see the answer here. So it is not written, it is written console.log this dot name. Okay, check this answer. I check. Abhi, you see. Okay, I check this. All apply and bind. So you see, we found Nachikeet here, and you see this is a very important method. If I create any object name like object three name Muskan, and here we have passed this object three. So we have a Muskan here. So using Carl, we do not need to copy this method here. We simply borrow this method here. So it is similar like this. So yeah, so the while is very important, and yeah. So we have also have a apply method also. So if I use apply, so we need apply, and we I think I need to pass the parameter inside this object. Okay, some mistake here. So guys, you see, I use apply here. So in apply, what I do, it is similar to call. So if you see, we have a object three. So inside object three, uh, we call this object one dot print name, object one dot print name, and we apply method, we apply method, and we have a object three. In object three, we have a name. So it is simply print me Muskan. And so you see this this is print Muskan, and here I use bind method. So bind always return function. Okay, so in object one we write print name, and inside we have a bind, and I give object two. So object two, and inside object two we have an Nachiket. So we simply return object, and inside we are return call this function. So it return me Nachiket. So you see this is a Nachiket. And guys, yeah, so this is all over this, and yeah, if you like this video and topic, so please like, comment, and share. Thank you.